Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create waterfall chart in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Sheets, and to create waterfall chart, we need to activate add-on. Go to the extension and then you can go to the add-ons and make sure you have installed this add-on on your Google Sheets, the Chart Expo. You just need to go to the add-ons and get add-ons, and you can search for the Chart Expo. Just install the Chart Expo. Okay, you can search for it. And as you can see, I have installed this Chart Expo, and after you have installed this app on your Google Sheet, you can open it. Okay, and wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, here you can click on add new chart, and then you can search for the waterfall. Just type in waterfall, and there are two options you can use to create the waterfall chart, and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and here we can customize the waterfall chart. And before you create the waterfall chart, you can read the tutorial. Okay, right here, I'm just going to close it. And then I'm going to select the seed. I'm going to use this data to create the waterfall chart. I'm going to go with this seed 1. And we can select a numeric column for chart. I'm going to select my HB column, and for the bridge column I'm gonna go with this one, and for this tag column I'm gonna go with day. Okay, and after that we can simply click on create chart. Okay, and the waterfall chart will be created automatically using this Chart Expo. Okay, this is the final result guys, and this is just for an example, so I'm using random data. You can use your own data and create the waterfall chart using the Chart Expo. Okay, and I'm going to add chart to seed. Okay, now the chart has been added to my seed, and I'm going to make it smaller. And this is for another example guys. We can use this waterfall chart to create company cash flow analysis, just like in the example. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create waterfall chart using Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.